Welcome to Happily Home Cooking, where today we're making creamy chicken enchiladas. I absolutely adore enchiladas, and these are no exception. They're easy to make, they scream comfort food to me, and they're a great dinner if you like to prep things ahead of time and make actual dinner time a breeze by just popping it in the oven. I also love them because they're really easily adapted to whatever ingredients you happen to have on hand. Almost any combination of meat, cheese, peppers, tortilla, and sauce will work. So make sure you're subscribed to our channel for this and our other family's favorite recipes, and then stick around. I'm going to show you how we make our recipe for creamy chicken enchiladas. We're going to start by quickly roasting up a few fresh peppers. I'm using one large red bell pepper, one Anaheim pepper, and one poblano pepper. I just broil them in the oven until they blister. Flip them over so that they can blister on the other side as well. Then once they're blistered on all sides, I transfer them to a gallon Ziploc bag. Then zip up the bag and I'll set them aside to cool. As they cool in the bag, they'll steam and cook the rest of the way. Once my peppers are cooled, I'll peel off the blistered skins. Remove the stems and seeds and give them a chop. If you don't have fresh peppers on hand, you can skip this step and substitute a small can of diced green chilies. Now we'll mix up our 2-ingredient white cream sauce. We're going to use 1 can of cream of chicken soup, along with 16 ounces of sour cream. I've used both light and regular sour cream for this, and I honestly can't tell the difference. So if you want to save a little fat, you can use light. Just mix them together and the easiest sauce of your life is done. We'll reserve 1 cup of our sauce for topping our enchiladas. Then we'll spread a thin layer of our sauce into a 9x13 casserole dish, just enough to coat the bottom. Now to our remaining sauce, we'll add about 2 cups of chopped pre-cooked chicken, our chopped peppers, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, along with half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Stir it up to combine your filling. And then we're ready to fill our tortillas. No rocket science here, we're just going to place a couple spoonfuls of our mixture onto our tortilla. I'm using large flour tortillas, so this will make about 7 enchiladas for me, but you could also use smaller, soft taco-sized tortillas and make more. With this large-sized enchilada and such a hearty recipe, 1 enchilada per person is plenty. Now we'll simply spread our reserved sauce mix over the top of our enchiladas. And we'll sprinkle it with half a cup of shredded cheese. I'm using a pre-shredded Mexican blend today, but you can use any cheese that you like. You could use just cheddar or jack, whatever you have on hand. Now, one of my favorite things about enchiladas is that they are easily prepped early in the day and can sit in the fridge all day so that when dinner time comes around, all you need to do is pop it in the oven. This will bake at about 400 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's hot and bubbly and that cheese is all melted. Hello, comfort food. I like to serve these slightly untraditional creamy enchiladas with more traditional Mexican side dishes of whole pinto beans and Spanish rice, both of which we have delicious family recipes for, and I will link to those in the description. I love all enchiladas, but these creamy enchiladas can be a really nice change sometimes from our traditional red enchiladas. So creamy, comforting, and delicious. While your mouth is watering, make sure you hit that like button down below to save this recipe to your liked videos so you can make it later. Thank you so much for watching our creamy chicken enchilada recipe. If you enjoyed this and would like to see more of our family's favorite recipes, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day and happy home cooking!